Hi. Thanks for joining us for the tutorial 18 of SmartMaker Advanced Function. With the advance in artificial intelligence technologies such as deep learning, we are beginning to see AI technology applied in many fields around us. Among them, the practical application of speech recognition and translation technology has been much visible in our daily lives. In this lesson, you will learn how to use Smart Language Atoms to create a translation app program. First, to explain the speech recognition atom, I configured the program screen in advance. For the two data input atoms, the maximum number of digits was designated as 255 characters in data properties, and the atom name was changed to source language and target language. The atom name can be confirmed from the atom name display field on the upper right. Instead of checking atom's name one at a time by selecting atom to see its name on the atom name display field on the top toolbar, you can also view atom's name by pressing F3 key, which display the names of all atoms on the screen. I have added speech recognition, translation, and speech synthesis atom from Smart Language Tools on the screen. Let's right-click Speech Recognition atom and select Style Properties. For speech recognition properties, if you open Language Combo box, you will see a list of languages available for speech recognition. In this example, we will set English as our language to be recognized. For input data, we will use microphone to receive the processing data. Therefore, we will leave the default settings for processing data unchanged as microphone. For output data, we will leave the default setting unchanged as text so that the speech recognition result is produced as text. And for atom name field below, we will enter source language so that the text converted from speech data is displayed in source language field. Now, go to Run mode, press Speech Recognition atom to start speech recognition. When you speak to the microphone, you can see that the recognized speech is displayed as text in source language field. Please note that while on smartphones without the function will perform without any additional configuration, you need to create an API key on Google Cloud Platform and set it on your PC to use speech recognition atom on your PC. This time, right-click Translation atom and select Style Properties. If you open the first combo box in Language of Translation Properties, you will see a list of all languages that you can translate. Select from the list the source language, meaning the language to be translated. In our example, we will select English for the source language. In the second combo box, you can specify the target language, that is, the language of the translation results. In the example, we will set Spanish as the target language. For input data, we will leave the processing data setting unchanged as atom. And we will enter source language in atom name field so that the contents of source language atom can be translated. For output data, the format is set to text so that the translation result is produced as text. Let's enter target language in atom name field so that the translated result is displayed in the target language field. Then, you can switch to Run mode, enter the sentence you want to translate in source language input field, and press Translate button. You can see that the sentence you have entered in the source language input field is translated and displayed in the target language field. Translation atom can be used on PCs and smartphones without additional configuration. Finally, right-click Speech Synthesis atom and select Style Properties. If you open the Language Combo box of the Speech Synthesis property, you will see a list of languages that can be synthesized. In the example, we will specify Spanish to produce the example speech in Spanish. Then, we will leave atom as the processing data in input data, and enter target language in atom name field so that the contents can be read from target language atom. The format for the output data is set as sound so that the translated result will be produced as speech. Then, go to Run mode, enter the text to outputs in target language field.
Hagamos una aplicación
Then
multilingüe.
press the speech synthesis atom. You can confirm that the sentence entered in the target language field is synthesized as speech. For reference, The sound file resource required to use speech synthesize Atom in PC is automatically downloaded and installed from SmartMaker solution. So far, we've implemented functions that can recognize, translates, and produce speech using the basic features of speech recognition, translation, and speech synthesis atoms. However, we had to press Atom every time in order to recognize, translate, and synthesize speech. Now, let's modify our functions so we can automate the process from speech recognition, translation, and synthesis. First, in style properties of the speech recognition atom, if you set the format of the output data to translation, then the atom name properties below expands to two fields. And source language, which is the previously specified atom name, is now assigned to the display field. Now, for the atom name's empty first field, which is marked as translate, let's enter translation, which is the atom name for translation atom, so that the speech recognized text is automatically transferred to translate atom for translation. This time, in style properties of translation atom, if you set the format of the output data to speech, then the atom name properties below expands to two fields. And target language, which is the previously specified atom name, is set as display. Now, for the atom name's empty first field, which is marked as speech output, let's enter speech synthesis, the atom name of the speech synthesis atom, so that the translated text is automatically transferred to the speech synthesis atom and produced as the speech synthesis. Then, if you switch to run mode, press the speech recognition atom, speech recognition starts, and when you enter the speech using microphone,
Hagamos una aplicación multilingüe.
the recognized speech is displayed in the source language input field, to be automatically translated and displayed in target language input field, and the sentence displayed in target language field is produced as speech. In today's tutorial, we learned how to use the speech recognition, translation, and synthesis atoms of smart language tools to easily create a translation app program. Next time, we'll learn how to place advertisement inside the app product. Thanks for watching.